Welcome back, everyone. I am so happy. I'm very glad that all of you have stayed and supported me, and I'm glad and I'm very, very appreciative of each and one of you, all 172 subscribers, so much. Thank you. Thank you so much. And for all the others who have just clicked this video, I haven't been posting for 9 days, and the reasons are my PC broke. I had to buy new adapter for my PC, I had to fix my PC, clean my PC, and also I had to reinstall everything. But thanks to you for all your great support and motivation, I have fixed everything and I will be continuing posting on this channel with new fresh content today. And I have some great news for all of you. Specifically, I broke those news down to 3 categories. Number 1, I will be showing in this video today a sneak peek of my new game, which will be out very, very soon. Number 2, I will be giving you information about the game jam, which I will be doing after the new game, which I'm going to publish very, very soon once again. And number 3, I will be updating all of you about the changes of the channel, the content, and meanwhile, let's go to news number 1. And special sneak peek of my new upcoming game called Ascendance. As you can see, I'm working in my Coppercube game engine. Yes, this looks very great, I know. Ascendance is going to be an airport horror, but it's not going to be a traditional horror where you have kind of scary elements, where you have those jump scares. It's going to be a story-driven, maybe some puzzles will be involved in it, but mostly it will be story-driven psychological horror game. And I can also show you the second scene, which is a plane scene, and as you can see, it looks pretty great. And once again, this game will be coming up really, really soon. I will be trying to make this game in maybe 5 days. I've been working on this game before my PC broke, and that's all the work that I've been doing. I have to redo this work, of course. This is not the final look of the game, and I'll be updating on the news, of course, and the trailer will come out in a couple of days with the game, which will be free. Yes, that's news number 1. Now let's go to news number 2. And news number 2 is that I will be working on Primary Colorman Jam 2022. I will be making a project, a game which evolves around a primary colorman. This is an antagonist kind of character created by Leo Vincible. I hope I'm pronouncing their name correctly. The link to this jam will be available in the description, and as always, you can check it out. If you're a game developer, you are feel free to join the jam. It starts in 10 days and it ends on April 11th. So many people who have joined, I think 30 people have joined, but more people will join, of course, once the announcements are out. And Primary Colorman will be a horror theme, and you can create anything, any type of game. Well, basically a horror game, but it can involve a backstory, it can involve a visual novel, maybe an adventure, maybe a puzzle, and you know, those games with Smiling Man was one of the great examples of recent horror kind of popularity flicks. And Slenderman is also, Backrooms are also one of those kind of creepypasta-esque creepy characters for the games. And just in general, not to talk too much, and yeah, I'll be trying to make a game for Primary Colorman Game Jam 2022. And the final news is about my game development studio and just in general the content that I will be making during the process of creating Ascendance and Primary Colorman Game Jam project. Actually, this was recommended to me by one of my subscribers, I think. at least they watch my videos. It is Baptiste Guillet. I hope I'm pronouncing your name correctly. Maybe it's not your name. Anyways, they wrote, "Hello, those tutorials are really interesting. I recommend you to continue to do those tutorials on CopperCube 6. He wrote this on one of my CopperCube 6 videos. He said, "You should make game jams because you produce beautiful games. Can you tell us why you chose this software about the others? Also, how are you doing since the last time? Have a great day, night, nonetheless, and stay safe." I'm very appreciative of you, Baptiste, if you're watching this. Once again, I'm sorry if I'm mispronouncing your name. And actually, they gave me a great idea to make a game jam which will allow game developers to make their first games, horror games, of course. The theme will be horror because I love horror, and they will be making games using CopperCube 6, and they will use the tutorials which I've made, but also I'll be giving a link to the Discord server for the CopperCube 6 and for the game jam, and all this will be done in the future, of course. And I'm not going to do this maybe tomorrow or like 4 days after this announcement, but I'm planning to do so. And if you're intrigued by this, if you're interested, you can go on and download CopperCube 6. The link is in the description. You can start using my tutorials or any tutorials, of course, on the YouTube. They're pretty much amazing tutorials. One of those tutorials and a guru of CopperCube 6 is a Glitch Velocity. The person named Vazahat, and the link will be down in the description of his YouTube channel too. And you can start kind of making small projects and get ready for the big game jam, which I will be announcing in a couple of weeks. And of course, that game jam will last only a couple of days, so it will be a short game jam, but I think in that short amount of time people will learn a lot. So this is one of those announcements. The other announcements is I will be doing CopperCube 6 tutorials, but not as much as doing other videos like horror game throughs and other gameplays and news and just in general information about my own games and my own content. I might start, I have been thinking about it this 9 days, that maybe I will be doing some news about just in general game development outside Itch.io and CopperCube 6. I'll be doing maybe interviews of some people, maybe game developers. I don't know, we'll see. But anyways, new content is coming soon. It's coming fresh, and you must get ready. Once again, thanks everyone for watching. I am deeply, deeply excited and very happy that all of this is happening. Once again, my PC is ready to work. I'm ready to work, and we can do this all together. Thanks for great motivation, all of you. And yeah, thanks for watching, and see you soon. Bye.